What are raisins good for? Benefits of raisins nutrition include lowered blood pressure and improved heart health. Studies have shown that daily consumption may significantly lower blood pressure, especially when compared to eating other common snacks, making them one of the better natural remedies for high blood pressure. A raisin also has a considerable concentration of phenolic compounds, which play a role in cancer prevention and treatment. The small but mighty raisin is so quick and easy to consume, it's really hard to find an excuse not to include them in your diet on a regular basis. What else can raisins nutrition offer in way of benefits? Health benefits of raisins. Aside from being a popular snack food based on taste alone, raisins nutrition includes polyphenols, antioxidants, flavonoids, and nutrients that can benefit overall health. Here are some of the top health benefits of raisins. 1. Decrease likelihood of cavities and gum disease. Contrary to what you might expect from a sweet and sticky dried fruit, a raisin can actually improve oral health. In fact, it even makes the list of ways to naturally reverse cavities and heal tooth decay. Research published in the Phytochemistry Letters revealed that raisins can benefit oral health because the fruit possesses antimicrobial phytochemicals that suppress the growth oral bacteria associated with dental cavities and gum disease. One of the 5 phytochemicals the study identified in raisins nutrition is oleanolic acid. In the study, oleanolic acid inhibited the growth of 2 species of oral bacteria, Streptococcus mutans, which causes cavities, and Porphyromatous gingivalis, which causes periodontal or gum disease. So even though a raisin satisfies your sweet tooth, it actually can help to keep that tooth free from cavities. 2. Excellent digestive aid. As a high-fiber food, raisins are an excellent digestive aid. Anything that aids your digestion is going to make you less likely to have common bathroom issues like constipation or diarrhea. A raisin contains both soluble and insoluble fiber, which both help keep things moving through the intestinal tract in a healthy way by reducing constipation but discouraging loose stools as well. Dried fruits might have more calories than fresh, but they also have a higher amount of fiber. So while the calories in raisins per serving are higher than grapes, 1 cup of grapes has 1 gram of fiber while 1 cup of raisins has 7 grams of fiber. By adding raisins to your snacks and meals, you instantly up the fiber content of your culinary creations quickly and easily. 3. Lower blood pressure and reduce stroke risk. Data presented at the American College of Cardiology's 61st Annual Scientific Session in 2012 suggests that individuals with mild increases in blood pressure can benefit from the routine consumption of raisins, 3 times a day. The researchers found that this daily consumption may significantly lower blood pressure, especially when compared to eating other common snacks. In addition, raisins nutrition is rich in the heart-healthy electrolyte potassium, helping prevent low potassium, a common issue in the standard American diet. Potassium is a key mineral for the proper function of all cells, tissues, and organs in the human body. People who get a lot of potassium in their diets have a lower risk of stroke, especially ischemic stroke. 4. Help manage diabetes. A randomized study in 2015 evaluated the impact of routine consumption of dark raisins versus alternative processed snacks on glucose levels, and other cardiovascular risk factors among patients with type 2 diabetes. In this study, compared to alternative processed snacks, those who consumed raisins had a 23% reduction in glucose levels after a meal. Those who consumed raisins also had a 19% reduction in fasting glucose and a significant reduction in systolic blood pressure. Overall, research supports raisins as a healthy snack choice for patients with type 2 diabetes. The fiber content of a raisin also helps your body to process the raisin's natural sugars, which helps prevent insulin spikes. 5. Aid in preventing cancer. Studies show fruits that are dried, especially dates, prunes and raisins, contain high phenolic components that have stronger antioxidant powers than those in some fresh fruits. Antioxidants are extremely important to our health because they prevent free radicals or highly reactive chemicals that have the potential to harm cells from causing cellular damage inside our bodies. Free radicals are one of the primary, underlying factors that lead to the spontaneous growth of cancer cells as well as the spread of cancer, which is why high antioxidant foods like raisins are a great anti-cancer food. According to a scientific review published in 2019, a higher intake of raisins and other dried fruits may be important in the prevention of cancers of the digestive system. By including raisins in your diet, not only can you increase your antioxidant levels, but you may also help to decrease cellular damage and ward off cancer. Thank you, and may this information useful for you.